has embraced technological advancements, so you get better comfort when you fly with us. The A330neo's entrance area provides a truly welcoming experience. New overhead light panels with customized patterns combined with LED lighting provide a bright welcome area. The new overhead compartments are significantly larger and can hold 66% more baggage. This improved space allows passengers to stow their luggage above their seats, giving greater comfort during boarding and in flight. The acoustic noise is also reduced thanks to the materials chosen for this aircraft, together with its brand new generation of Rolls-Royce Trent 7000 engines. Along with reduced exhaust noise due to the slower bypass airspeed, the intake's new design, combined with a noise-absorbing coating, further reduces the structural noise, making it the quietest aircraft in its category.
So the inspiration comes from everything and nothing. It comes first of all with the talk with the airline. Do they have a brand book? Do they have a real strong idea of what they would like to get? That's first of all. It's so, like I said, it's an interchange. It is questions, answers, putting materials on the table. What do you like? What do you like less? Why? A lot of things as well with images. What is making one airline country unique? What is the typical thing we would like to add on the aircraft so that your aircraft is the unique one? You're feeling that once you step in, it's an Air Greenland aircraft.
Vores arktiske natur, det er den livlige kerne i Grønland, og det er det også i Air Greenland. Det er både vores allerbedste salgsargument, når vi skal sælge en rejse til Grønland, men det er samtidig også den sværeste del af vores operation, og det som udfordrer os allermest i hverdagen. Det er det, vi har brugt 6 årtier på at blive eksperter i, netop at kunne omfavne og operere i den arktiske natur. Det er vores smukke og fantastiske baggrundstæppe, og det har selvfølgelig fyldt rigtig, rigtig meget i at indrette kabinen i Tuukkaq.
So we look for the inspiration on all those manners. We gather them on a mood board with images, with colors. Then we translate those moods into materials, and we tweak those materials until they are the good ones, the ones we would like to have seen in, applied in the aircraft. So we decided together with Air Greenland to go for details. The important things goes into the really detail, because on that one you can see it's thought through until the end.
Nature has been a continuous inspiration for the colors, textures, and lights in the interior design of Tuukkaq. The turquoise colors and lights represent the many nuances of Greenland's ice sheet and icebergs. The lighter and darker grays refer to the many rocks and minerals on Greenland's coast.
Det særlige ved Tuukkaq, det er, at vi ikke bare er et airline i Air Greenland. Vi er det allerførste skridt ind til Grønland. Og det er vi både for dem, der kommer for at opleve polareventyret, og dem, som vender hjem fra en lang rejse eller skal ud i verden. Og det har været rigtig vigtigt at få vores grønlandske kultur til at blive tydelig i Tuukkaq. Det er blandt andet sket i form af myten omkring Asiaq, som er vindens ånd, der er afbildet i kabinen. Og det er også sket i en masse af de elementer, der er i det nye underholdningssystem ombord.
The premium class is the more cooler colors of the ice. You have the white, the gray, the light, but we already announced the deepness, which you will find in the cabin behind the turquoise. It's very difficult to capture the richness of this color, but you have the turquoise that comes through when you go really, really deep into the ice. You have this nice, bright color comes through. So in the stitching, we're announcing already this little nice color coming through. Red is coming through as well. You have accents on the seat belts, on the curtain, little spots on the carpet. So you have all this, then you come from the premium, go to the economy class, and there you will find more turquoise because you have more seats. So we could go a little bit more bold. You see as well the stitching coming through, and the fabrics are woven in such a nice way that you have we try to capture the deepness of the nature to come through, that you find it through the whole cabin. A little bit less in the premium class, a little bit more bold in the economy class.
Inflight Entertainment System. We are pleased to present a new feature-rich seat-back entertainment system with more content and new features for customers to enjoy. The entertainment system is designed in 3 languages, so visitors from abroad and travelers from the home market in Greenland can explore from the backseat screens. We offer a wide selection of popular movies, music and entertainment that you can enjoy for free on our flights to and from Greenland. Select the entertainment on the touchscreen at your seat, lean back and enjoy. Feel free to use your headphones or the ones we provide. All seats are equipped with a single plug socket. We ensure that you are entertained during your journey to and from Greenland. MyFlight. In the MyFlight section, you will find the duty-free catalogue, drinks menu, access to a survey and information about Club Timisa, our customer club. By next year, you'll be able to connect your devices to Wi-Fi when it launches in the first quarter of 2023. Discover Greenland. Find inspiration for your next trip with us in or to Greenland. You can find descriptions of all the destinations Air Greenland flies to. You can also browse through a wide range of experiences like snow, icebergs, sea, northern lights, midnight sun, and whales. Explore and discover new and exciting experiences right here. We've built a destination guide that shows and tells you all about Air Greenland's destinations. The system also offers an interactive map of the flight, which in addition to being a detailed route map, is also an entire 3D globe on your touchscreen. If you don't have a window seat, you can look out of the window virtually and follow what Tuukkaq is flying over in real time on your screen.
That the passengers, of course, that's the final customer from the cabin. They will maybe not remember exactly why they like the aircraft, but that's the goal. You have to get in and feel comfortable, at home, at ease. Everything is nice. Everything is probably giving the impression like I would like to come back, or I would experience coming on this aircraft again. The experience has to be normal, natural, recognizable, easy, and probably leaving something in a passenger's mind. Oh, that was a nice experience. I want to experience it back.
Idasussatsinut qilanaaru taasinnaavoq timmisartumut ikingaanni takussutissaqaratta maattoq nunatsinnisoorlu uqaluttuassartaat makkua такутиссиннаасаратсигит таава аама исигиннаарутини аама филмеқармат калааллунатсинни оқалуттуартуник таавалу аама тиммисартортоққиссисиманарлуни нутааник аторториссаарутиник аторторарлуни илааффигинеқарсиннааммат нериуппунга сооруналими илаасуссагут тоққусисималлутик ингерлаартарумаартут.
Flådefornyelsen i en historisk kontekst er jo også interessant, fordi historisk har vores forfædre jo forfinet deres jagtredskaber, deres transportmidler til hele tiden skiftende omstændigheder og skiftende miljøer. Det bedste eksempel er en rajam, som jo i dag er noget af det mest forfinede, der findes inden for transport til søs. Det samme gør vi i Greenland. Vi tilpasser os hele tiden, vi fornyer i forhold til skiftende omstændigheder, skiftende vilkår. Og der er Tuukkaq jo et perfekt eksempel på den tilpasning, som gør, at vi har overlevet indtil nu, og at vi også kommer til at overleve i årene fremover.
Travelers will experience better comfort in the new cabin, and the latest technology makes us the market leader in reducing CO2 emissions per passenger. We are proud of this investment, which will contribute positively to Greenland's development for many years to come. We look forward to welcoming you on board in our brand new aircraft, Tuukkaq. Takus.